Welcome to the Get Started Guide. This video will give you an overview of our service and explain how to use our website. The first step is deciding who will be the in-charge in your firm. It is usually best to pick one person to process all of your clients' reasonable compensation opinions, although it's okay to pick multiple people if you prefer. It's an easy engagement, and most firms choose a staff accountant, but a partner or manager level employee will still have realization on their time. The associate that you choose should be an accountant with at least 1 or 2 years of experience, and they should know the basics of preparing an S-Corp tax return and feel comfortable talking to clients and handling questions. You can set up users under the Staff Management screen. There is a separate video on managing users on the training page. Please take a few minutes and watch all of the short training videos. These videos will share tips and best practices to ensure that you optimize income and work efficiently. You can also schedule a live one-on-one webcast with one of our associates for a more in-depth education. Each time you log in, you will be presented with your firm's dashboard. The dashboard is the place to quickly check on your individual client statuses, access your financial forms, and make any notes. The Quick Add feature at the top of the client list allows you to enter your database into the software easily. We recommend that you enter all of your S-Corp shareholders and not worry about the clients that don't need an opinion at this point. Your client data is secure in our website. If you prefer to keep your clients anonymous, that's fine. There's no need to enter the company name or shareholders, but we do recommend that you use a client ID so that you can easily identify who it is you are working on. After you have finished entering all of your clients into the software, you should introduce this new service to them. It's important that they understand why you are providing them with an opinion on their salary levels, and it helps set expectation for questions that might be coming. We make it simple. You can use our sample copy to craft an email or mailing to your clients and edit it to your own communication style and tone. You are now ready to start preparing opinions. On average, this should take about 10 minutes per shareholder. Click on the client's name to access your client's opinion request form. Next, gather the client's most recent 1120S S-Corp tax return and begin entering the information into the form. For added efficiency, the form has a secure email tool. You can enter estimates into the form and then safely email those estimates to the client to have them confirm or edit. This is an efficient method to ensure that the data you're collecting is accurate. Please see the Opinion Request Form training video for more information on the email tool. One of the most important variables needed when preparing a reasonable compensation opinion is the comparable salary variable. There is a comprehensive database of job descriptions attached to the opinion request form to help with this. It is recommended that you describe all of the shareholder employee's responsibilities, so you may want to add more than one job description. This is the preferred method, and it usually results in a decrease in FICA taxes. Once you have entered and collected all of the pertinent information, you are ready to submit the form to reasonablecompensation.com for completion. Once we receive the opinion request, it normally takes a couple of hours during normal business hours for us to complete the opinion. We will analyze the information, follow up with questions if needed, and provide you with an accurate salary opinion that is the lowest defensible position for FICA tax purposes. You will know when the opinion letter is complete via an email notification. Simply click on the completed PDF green status bar in the dashboard to access the opinion letter. Please note that the opinion letter is co-branded with your CPA firm name, your client identification, and the official name of our CPA firm, which is CPA Opinion Partners, LLC. The trade name of reasonablecompensation.com is not shown on the opinion letter. Review the opinion for accuracy, and then either forward the PDF to your client or schedule a meeting to review it with them in person. If you decide to email it straight away, you can use our email copy to help explain the opinion letter and preemptively answer questions. In the event of an audit, CPA Opinion Partners will compensate the CPA firm with a check to help cover their representation costs, as well as provide important work papers to help with the audit. Alternatively, we can represent your client in front of the IRS for free. Please see terms and conditions for details and limitations. Firms typically charge a flat fee for the engagement. It can range from $200 to $1,000, depending on 1, the size of the client, 2, if the CPA firm is offering free audit representation, and 3, if the CPA firm is bundling in a meeting to provide guidance around adjusting the salary amount, tax planning, and employee benefits. Some firms use our site only on occasion as compensation opinions are needed. Other firms choose to embrace the campaign approach and set up an engagement to provide opinions to all of their clients at one time. This is a much more efficient and comprehensive approach to preparing salary opinions, and it's more lucrative for the CPA firm. Please take time to review the additional videos on the video training page. If you prefer live training, you can schedule via email or by calling 1-877-727-3650. Our normal customer support hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with additional limited support until 8 p.m. So do not hesitate to contact us when you have questions. Thank you for using reasonablecompensation.com.